Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade sales strategies with BigCommerce. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your sales strategies with BigCommerce, start by assessing your current sales performance. Log into your BigCommerce account and navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the analytics section to identify trends in your sales data. Look for areas that need improvement, such as low-performing products or high cart abandonment rates. Next, explore the various built-in marketing tools available within BigCommerce. Utilize the email marketing feature to create targeted campaigns for your audience. Consider implementing abandoned cart emails to recover lost sales. Next, enhance your product listings with high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Incorporate customer reviews to build trust and credibility around your products. After optimizing your listings, focus on improving your site's user experience. Navigate to the design settings and customize your store's layout for better navigation. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly, as a significant portion of users shop on their phones. Add clear calls to action to guide customers through the purchasing process. Now, consider integrating social media to extend your reach. Connect your store to platforms like Facebook and Instagram to showcase your products. Utilize social proof by displaying user-generated content on your social channels. Implement promotions and discounts to incentivize purchases. Create limited-time offers to create a sense of urgency among customers. Next, explore the option of upselling and cross-selling on your product pages. Suggest complementary products during checkout to increase average order value. Regularly monitor your sales data to track the effectiveness of your upgraded strategies. Use A/B testing to experiment with different strategies and find what works best. Finally, stay updated with BigCommerce's latest features and tools to continually refine your sales approach. By following these steps, you can effectively enhance your sales strategies using BigCommerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.